Hey beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. And this video we're going to be doing a collab with Elva Hair. They sent us a 12-inch 13 by 6 frontal lace wig. It came with a wave, like a body wave, maybe even a loose wave possible. But the hair felt so good. I bleached the knots, I washed it, it was so soft. Even my client was saying the hair is so soft, the hair is so soft. um it was really like the texture of the hair was really great. So we are gonna jump right into it. I bleached the knots, I washed it, and then I plucked the hairline. And I molded everything back, so that's how you see everything out of her face. So right now I am cutting her ears out, just fitting it. You guys, this is what I do. Oh, this is what most stylists do, not just me. But yeah, it's a 13 by 6, so the lace goes further back and it comes a little further down on the ear area. So we're just customizing right now. But look how natural it already looks, and we didn't even melt it yet. I didn't put absolutely nothing. The hair texture, I can't stress that enough. It was so good. Also, the actual knots on the wig were very thin. The lace was very thin. This was, it was given. It was given. So we're applying our beauty bond. We already had her cap on. So I'm applying the beauty bond to her hairline so we could put the wig on. So we got the lace on, and now I just put on the beauty band so that we can melt the lace before cutting it off. And we're just gonna mold the part. I'm gonna do a deep side part. I always blow dry. Just, I don't know, me, I like to use my blow dryer. It gets the job done. It, lays the hair down better. I don't know, my dryer is my best friend. So now I'm gonna take the band off, and I want you guys to look at how natural it looks, and we didn't even cut the lace off. Look at that. Look at that. So I sprayed some Sebastian Shaper just to get that part more flat, and I'm going in with my hot comb. After that, we're gonna cut the lace off. So over time with me just, installing different types of lace and, doing wigs in general, I've adapted new techniques. I've learned different things. One tip, I feel like it's crucial for you to leave a little bit of extra lace. That's what makes it look more like a hairline, like a natural hairline. So I cut my lace and I leave a little bit, and then I go back in, and I add whatever more glue I need at the time, but never cut directly at the hairline unless you're gonna go back and pluck some more to make it look, more realistic. So the hair was already wavy. I wanted to leave it like that, but I said, you know what? Let me curl it a little bit. This install was so quick. It was so easy. When you're working with a really good product, it lessens your time. The less customizing you have to do, the easier the install, the faster you can get it done. But this is amazing. Like, this is beautiful. This is Beautii by Day, of course. Elva Hair. They're 12-inch 13 by 6 lace wig. Follow them on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. You know I'm always coming with some new content. And once again, I cannot stress this enough. The hair was amazing. I will see you guys soon.